Welcome to our Wooppy YouTube channel. My name is Aaryan and my sister's name is Lavina. Today we're going to make grilled chicken pita bread sandwich. So let's make it. Yummy and easy. First we're going to make the pita bread sandwich. Pita bread sandwich बनाते 1.5 कप मैदा लगबे. What is 1.5 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons yogurt, sock dough, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon salt or noon. Chalo, let's mix it. Make the dough. Oh, so much fun, Lavina. Let's do it. I can't wait to try it. So it looks delicious. For 2 to 3 hours. Now let's make the chicken. এখন আমরা চিকেনটা ম্যারিনেট করব. Let's marinate the chicken. You put some cumin, where's jeera, and then put some yogurt. Talk the way down. At least to use 3 tablespoons of yogurt, ginger, garlic paste, Russian paste. It looks yummy already. Put some oil. Let's stir and let me put some oil. I'm not building. Now mix until it gets marinated. I can't wait to try it. Marinate it at least for half an hour. Going to marinate karo. Pita bread doughটা ready. এখন আমরা বানাবো. এখন আমরা নিট করব রুটির মতন। কি মজা। দেখো আমি আর আরিয়ান কি করছি। You roll the dough and cut it in small pieces. Make little balls and roll it with the rolling pin. রুটির মতন বানাও। এই অনেক মজা এগুলো বানাতে।
Beautiful, Lavina. Beautiful, big. It's like a map. Huh? Some kind. Yeah, flip it. Yes. Yay. Wait, better. Yeah. It's gonna go on the hot pan.
It looks kind of, guys, it looks kind of like a cap. And no, it looks like a pancake.
Beautiful. Ooh, it's a perfect round. See, you're getting better and better.
Is it perfect? Honey, I can't wait to eat it.
It's a pita bread, right? Look, I'll see for you.
We need a little flour. Looks like I'm a real chef. Whoa, how easy is this?
Done, you're done. Your pita bread is done. It's done. It's done. No.
And now I'm just getting... এখন pita bread hot pan এ দিয়ে দাও। And দুই side heat করো। It's so easy to make the pita pumpkins. Pita breads. Perfect. এখন অনেক গরম। একটু ঠান্ডা হোক। While we do the chicken. Let's grill our chicken. We're putting putting it on a hot oil. The marinated chicken. It at the yummy side. You put very little so it gives the flavor. Sandwich. Amra corn, yogurt duklam, top yogurt. At the green chili sauce dilam, which is very spicy. এখন আমরা yogurt dip বানাবো.
So delicious.
So delicious. Stir it and mix it. Put some black pepper, goldmilch, and a pinch of salt. I think our dressing is done now. Give it a taste. Just perfect. Hurry and try it. Majariya. Yummy.
And we'll make it become pockets.
And we will make it so it becomes pockets. Tomato, lettuce, jalapeno, a yogurt dip with the barbecue chicken. Yummy. So delicious. We are making our own pocket. Let's make it. First, we're going to start with the chicken. I'm making pita bread sandwich. Amra banai. Pan is getting a mess. But it's so good. I'm putting the chicken in small pieces. I want my dry. Right. Ready, steady? This is yum. So good. Ki moja khawa. It's so healthy for you. You should eat it every day. You can know how to make a pita bread, a pita pocket sandwich, grilled chicken. It's so yummy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the thumbs up button to see around more fun activities. See you next time. Bye. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.